Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find save location. So you just tap, then grant permission to location to camera, and now you can switch this feature as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.